Welcome to the video service that unlocks and reveals the hidden value in your SAP system. Hi, Martin here, and in this video, we're going to focus on key master data rules, lot size keys. Lot size keys define where the MRP will accumulate quantities and the timing of proposals for replenishment. And as we know, the best way to learn is by doing. So Christy, tell us more about lot size keys.
Oh, Martin. Lot size keys are often misunderstood and commonly underutilized. This key master data field sets the stage for replenishment, and there are great use cases for the different types of lot size keys. Today, we will touch on the different lot size keys, review where to find this key information in SAP, and provide some tips on how to get more value out of this underutilized key rule to empower MRP. One of the key planning rules for our MRP run relates to our lot size keys. And today I want to go through and show you where to find this in the material master and then talk you through a couple of the different options. So I'm starting here from my stock requirements list, of course, because this is where I spend most of my time as a planner or buyer. And I'm actually just going to go in and take a look at this material. Now, if I was just going to display, I would double click, but I think we're going to do a little bit of changing here. So I'm going to go to environment and say change material. And my lot size key lives on this very first MRP view. And there are really three different kinds of lot size keys or categories of lot size keys. And I want to break them down for you. So the first is a static lot size key. So this is going to be things like a lot for lot order quantity. It's going to be things like replenish to a maximum stock level. These are the kinds of lot size keys that we will be using if we are going through and have a static way we want to replenish.